If you've got older gear with Thunderbolt 2 and a shiny new Mac with Thunderbolt 4 or 5, this little adapter is your bridge to bliss. I needed to hook up my beloved Apple display to a 2024 MacBook Pro, and boom, this adapter made it happen. The hookup was surprisingly simple. Just connect the adapter to your Mac's Thunderbolt 4 port, then plug your Thunderbolt 2 cable right into it. It took seconds. No drivers, no headaches, no sacrificing your favorite monitor to obsolescence. Sure, it's a little pricey. It is Apple after all, but it's solid, dependable, and saved me from trashing a perfectly good display. The video signal came through instantly. No lag, no glitching. So if you're trying to connect the old with the new, this tiny adapter is a huge win. We give it 2 thumbs up. Grab one and give your vintage tech new life.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.